Green cleaning products, from eco-certified sprays to natural solutions like vinegar and baking soda, are popular today, but many homeowners ask, do they actually work? In this video, we're going to explore that question by looking at what science says, what real-world experience shows, and how you can make green cleaning both effective and safe in your home. Green cleaning refers to products and methods designed to reduce harm to human health and the environment. That usually means fewer harsh chemicals, reduced volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and biodegradable or plant-derived ingredients. Non-toxic ingredients are key. Eco-certifications matter too. Reduced environmental impact is a big part of the definition. Green isn't just branding. Some products are third-party certified to meet standards. It's like choosing food labeled organic. The claim has meaning only if backed by standards, not just a buzzword on the label. Studies comparing green cleaning products to conventional cleaners show mixed, but often positive results. For many everyday tasks like removing dirt, smudges, and light grime, many green products are similarly effective. For heavy grease or stubborn buildup, conventional products often perform stronger. But that doesn't mean green cleaners are ineffective. Green products work well where surfactants and gentler chemistry are enough, and that covers most routine home cleaning. Many homeowners report that green cleaning products leave homes fresh and clean without harsh chemical smells or irritation. Professional cleaners may mix green products with mechanical scrubbing or steam to get deeper cleaning. Technique often matters as much as chemistry. For routine spills, counters, and floors, a green cleaner plus microfiber cloth can be just as effective as a stronger product. Green cleaners can help clean, but for sanitizing and healthcare or mold mitigation, products with specific germ kill claims and stronger chemistry are required. Think of green cleaning as your go-to for everyday cleaning, and reserve specialized products for tasks that specifically require them. Use microfiber cloths. They lift dirt with minimal chemistry. Let cleaners sit. Dwell time can enhance effectiveness.